This video will explain what happens to the lead after being qualified. Once the lead has been qualified, they will be moved to their respective board, which can be found under the Active Clients workspace. Each board shows the different stages the project will go through in order to be ready for construction. The order of the stages will vary from board to board, but the information will generally be the same. For the purpose of this video, I will be in the DA projects board. Once you're in the board, you will see the different stages that are required to go through. Within each stage, you will have the project name, the client details, the owner of the project, the client details, the project type, the status, the timeline it will take to complete this stage, the date that it was added to this stage, any internal notes or information, the client email, the contract price, and for this specific board, we have a column for the external designer that provided us with the documents. To elaborate more on the status, the choices are to be started, which will automatically be set as the project moves through the different stages. While you are working on the stage, you should have it on working on it as a status. If you are waiting on client feedback, you will select waiting on client. If the project for any reason needs to be put on hold, then you will select on hold as a status. Once you have completed the stage, you will set the status as done. This will then automatically move the project to the next stage. If for any reason the project is unsuccessful and is no longer moving forward with mode, then you will select unsuccessful as a status, which will then remove the project from this board and move it to the unsuccessful board. Once all the stages are complete and the project is ready for construction, you will choose project complete, and this will then remove the project from this board and move it to the project complete board. If you require an internal review at any stage, then you will select the internal review. There is also, once the project is ready for check measure and handover, then respectively you will choose these as a status. It is also a requirement of the owner to set the timeline that they believe it will take to complete each stage. By doing this, you click on the button, click your start date, and followed by your end date. Once this stage is complete, you click on done. It is then moved to the next stage. Your status is to be started, and you are now required to once again set your new timeline to complete this stage.